What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So last video you saw that we got finished installing the front suspension, which gave it about 3 inches of lift. I think this thing is huge now, at least in my garage. You can see the gap. And today we are actually gonna install the rear shocks and also the added leaf springs, which should give us about 1.5 inches to 2 inches of lift. Actually, right now the front is a lot higher. Well, it's higher than the back. We gotta get that fixed. All right, let's get started. So this is our rear shocks here. These are Bilstein 5160s with a remote reservoir. And this is actually what's gonna give the truck the lift. These are All Pro added leaf. There's 3 of them there. This should give me 1.5 inches of lift. However, I am gonna install the or keep the overload spring, so actually it's probably going to give me 2 inches of lift. Comes with all the necessary hardware, and let's hope I don't have to cut anything else out to install these. This is the passenger rear. So from the ground to the fender we have about 36 3/8 inch. 36 3/8. And from the hub to the fender, we have about 21 7/8. 21 7/8. All right, we're gonna go to the next side. Driver rear. So from the bottom to the fender, we have about 36 1/8. 36 1/8. Middle of the hub, we have 21 5/8. 21 5/8. All right, let's get started. the screw for this?
Yeah.
Record it later. It's gonna be a whole separate video. And then back up. I'll zoom in on the suspension and back up to show the cat. Finally finished doing the rear lift on the Tacoma. So we went with the Bilstein 5160s and also the All Pro AAL Lift. So before, on the passenger rear, we had 36 and 3/8 on the ground. So now it's 38 and 3/8. So about 2 inches of lift. I did keep the overload spring in, and also I'm gonna do the hub now. The hub before it measured at 21 and 7/8. So the middle of the hub, fender, it's about 23 and 5/8. So almost exactly, I think it's exactly at 2 inches in the back. All right, so this is the driver rear. Before it was measuring at 36 and 1/8 on the ground. Now it's measuring about 38 and 3/8. So that's about 2 inches as well. And so the hub, it measured 21 and 5/8. Now it's measuring 23 and 3/4. So 2 inches in the back. So what I did was that I did keep the overload spring in. So that's gonna give that extra 1/2 inches. I'm not gonna spell it. So this is just a walk around of my Bilstein 6112s. They're about 3 inches right now in the front. I don't think they've settled yet, and that's probably why. And the rears, I have Bilstein 5160s, the remote reservoir, and I have the All Pro AAL Lift. And I kept the overload spring in to give it a little bit more of a raise or a lift. And also I'm able to still carry the original payload. And that gave it about 2 inches of lift. So right now, the truck sits pretty level. It's only about 1 inch taller in the back, or not even like 1/2 inch maybe. So hopefully the front kind of comes down a little bit.